Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Snapchat Plus badge next to your name. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So one of the features of Snapchat Plus is a Snapchat Plus badge. By enabling this, you will get a black badge next to your display name. However, before you do that, you need to first subscribe to Snapchat Plus. The badge is disabled by default, so you need to enable it manually. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your Snapchat app. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your emoji at the top left. Now tap on Snapchat Plus banner. Here on this page, enable Snapchat Plus badge. The Snapchat badge is a black star badge, and this will add some flair to your display name. The badge will be showcased next to your display name. Your friends will be able to see it when they visit your profile. Having a badge next to your name will let them know that you're a Snapchat Plus subscriber. And that is how to get the Snapchat Plus badge on your account. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.